Let's make this adorable little bee bracelet. Here's what you'll need. 1 lobster claw clasp, 1 jump ring, 2 crimper beads, 60 centimeters of non-stretch bead thread, white, yellow and black seed beads, and long nose head pliers. Step 1. Start by cutting a 60 centimeter length of the thread. Adjust this to your wrist size if you need. Step 2. Attaching the jump ring. Take your jump ring and thread one end of the thread through it. Slide on a crimper bead. Then feed the other end of the thread back through the same side of the crimper bead. Pull the thread snug so the crimper secures the jump ring, leaving a small tail. Use your pliers to crimp the bead firmly in place. Step 3. Now slide 3 coloured seed beads, we've used light pink here, onto the thread. You can tuck that short tail into these beads to keep everything neat. Step 4. Creating the bee body. Add 1 yellow, 1 black bead and another yellow bead to make the bee colours. Next, slide on the 2 white seed beads. These will form the wings of your bee. Step 6. Now loop the thread back through the first bee body. Pull the thread tight to form a nice and neat circle. Step 7. You'll be able to see your first bee now. The wings sit on top with the black and yellow stripes underneath. Step 8. Repeat the pattern. Continue repeating this pattern until the desired length of your bracelet. Step 9. Finishing the bracelet. To finish, thread on 3 more coloured seed beads, 1 crimper bead and 1 lobster claw clasp. You'll need to loop the thread back through the crimper bead to create a small loop. Then feed it back through the last 3 colour beads. Use your pliers to crush the crimper bead and lock everything in place. And that's it! You've made your bee bracelet.